Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos. I'm Latoya, and today we have a pretty exciting unboxing and review for the HTV Heat Press Machine. If you're on the hunt for a more affordable heat press for your sublimation and vinyl projects, you're in the right place.
We want to thank HTVRONT for sending us their 10x10 heat press. We'll be unboxing, testing it with a few sample projects, and sharing our thoughts on this product. In the box, you'll find an instruction manual to help you get started, a blank canvas bag that you can customize. You can even use it to store the heat press and protect it from dust. The heat press is packed very well inside the box and is easy to remove. Also included is the power cord and the safety base. We received the mint green colored heat press, which looks great right out of the box. The heat press is beautiful and elegant. The gold trim and mint green color give it a stylish look. It's also available in several additional colors. The heat press feels sturdy and well built. Now let's take a look at the specifications.
Setting the temperature and time is easy. Here's how.
First, turn on the power and ensure that your machine is placed on the safety base. Next, press the temperature button and use the plus or minus button to adjust the temperature value. You can set the temperature within the range of 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature goes in 5 degrees increments. To set the time, press the timer button, which has a clock icon on it. Using the plus or minus button, adjust the value to achieve your desired time. Let the heat press heat up, then click the R button to start the time. While the HTVRONT heat press comes with all the essentials, there are a few extra supplies you might need. To protect our crafting table, we purchased this inexpensive heat press mat from Amazon, which fits perfectly under the heat press. Additionally, you will also need a Teflon sheet or butcher paper.
We started with this t-shirt project using this cute fall theme design that we found in Crooked Design Space. We're going to cut it out on this glitter HTV vinyl that we purchased from Amazon. We're going to follow the instructions given on the back for setting the temperature on the heat press anytime. I'm also using HTVRONT cutting mat when it was time to replace my Cricut cutting mat. I ended up purchasing this one off of Amazon and it ended up working perfectly.
The heat press quickly and evenly heats up so that the vinyl was able to adhere to the t-shirt. We also tried it with canvas bags, using the same HTV glitter heat transfer vinyl for a pumpkin SVG file. Next, we tried this iron-on transfer paper. We created this custom design using Canva, printed it on the iron-on transfer paper, and used the heat press to apply it to the bag.
So here are the two little adorable pouches we were able to make. One using the paper vinyl and one using the glitter vinyl. I think both of these came out really adorable.
The first thing we like about the HTVRONT Heat Press is that it is a beautiful, elegant-looking and well-built machine. You will definitely want to display it. We also like that this heat press has a maximum temperature that can reach 410 degrees Fahrenheit, that it comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. It's the perfect size for most sublimation and vinyl projects such as t-shirts, pillows, and bags. The heat press heats up fast and evenly. The top and side handles ensure your hands are kept away from the hot plate. It comes with an insulated safety base to rest in. We like how easy it is to use, and that it comes with a detailed instructions booklet to help you get started. It is a lot more affordable compared to our Cricut Easy Press.
Even though we haven't been using this heat press for an extended period of time, it has already shown to be a great product so far, much like their mini heat press, which we love and have been using for a while now.
If you're interested in this HTV RONT Heat Press Machine, you can find it on their website or on Amazon. They are currently running a sale on their website. If you purchase it directly from their website, they are offering our followers an additional $14 off when you use our discount code that will be linked in the description box down below. That's it for today's review of the HTV RONT Heat Press Machine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and DIY projects.
Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.